Okay, another unboxing. This time it's for a GeForce GT 1030. I quite like unboxing the high-end video cards, but occasionally it's nice to look at the bottom-end ones. Although having said that, this is still £70. Still going to cost you £70 for this graphics card. It's completely passive, which is what it was chosen for, because the system it's going into is going to be completely silent. It's got a bit more poke than onboard graphics, but let's unbox it and see what you get with it. There you go. Now it's EVGA, so they're generally a bit funky about things like that. Oh, there's a low profile thing. That isn't going to come out that end, so I've opened it the wrong end. Let's try this end. That sort of lifts a little slot on it. I guess it'll just come out. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Bit of paper. The box is way bigger than it needs to be. But anyway, so you get a graphics driver with it. Obviously, that's a low profile bracket, which is sort of dark chrome. It's not sort of. It's quite a nice chrome. I'm going to call it EVGA chrome. That's quite a nice colour, which won't match anything else at the back of your computer, obviously. Little leaflet saying that HDMI is copyrighted. That's helpful to know. Little sticker. Not sure what we'll do with that. Put it there. Graphics card's in a bag, which is also in a bag. Another warning about ESD. Oh, looks like they have one bag for all their graphics cards. So that's rather a big bag. Get that out of the way. So there it is. It's got nice detailing on there. Look, that's pretty funky. Kind of like that. Completely passive heatsink, quite a small PCB. So yeah, so that came out of all of that packaging. So yeah, okay. So it's pretty clear that they've dressed this up for retail. I might have a look at the performance on it when the system's built and compare that to other things, but it's quite a nice looking card with its heatsink, but you don't get very much with it and the box is far too big. Yeah, great. So any questions, any comments, stick them in the comments, and like and subscribe, that'd be helpful, and thanks for watching.